Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Yaber portable jump starter pack. 1200 ampere peak waterproof EP68 car battery booster. It could be up to 7.5 liters with gas engines or 6.0 liters of diesel engines. It's for 12-volt vehicles. It's a power bank and a charger pack. Power pack LED flashlight included with QC 3.0 output, lightweight. Oh, that sounds good. But now let's have a look what's inside the package. It's a powerful jump starter. This jump starter can start 12-volt vehicles, of course, and in seconds with 1200 ampere peak current and the capacity of the 12,000 milliampere hour battery, suitable for your car, truck, motorcycle, etc. From minus 20 degrees up to 60 degrees Celsius. The world's first car jump starter with IP68. It can be used even in rainy days. Multiple protection from the intelligent clamps, short circuit, high temperature, overvoltage, overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and polarity reverse, and so many more. It is a portable power bank. Wow, with 12,000 milliampere hours high capacity, allows to jump start 20 times with 4.5 hours full charge, supports quick charge input and TypeC output. Can charge your phone, camera, Kindle, and other devices with USB-A and USB-C up to 75% faster than a standard charger. And as you can see, there is a box included, and this massive box is nice. So you have the power bank every time in one part at one time. That is nice. I like this kind. 3 modes for the LED lights: normal, SOS, strobe, which is potentially an emergency lifesaver, can help you in any case when you are adventure outdoor, daily emergency, high and low temperature, minus 20 degrees to 60 plus. And there it is, the power bank itself. And there is the light indicator. And on the top there is a button and 4 LEDs. These LEDs will show you the capacity inside. And on the side of this powerful device, there are some ports. You have the 2 ports for car starting vehicle cables, then 2 USB spots, 1 USB-C and micro USB port. This is enough to make all kinds of things with this power bank, of course. It's a massive ABS, I think it's ABS plastic surrounding. It's a nice halo for this. And it comes with an instruction manual in different languages, like English, of course. And the box is waterproof. And the device is waterproof too. And there is, what is this? This is a stick. You can handle this for special options with the smart clamps. So what is that? Oh, an USB-C wire and an USB micro wire. This is TypeC cable and micro USB cable. And as you can see, you can handle the USB-C cable to reload your power bank if you need so much energy to get inside. It is better to load this power bank before you start using it about 7 hours, but it will automatically shut down with the loading if it's full. So you do only need a AC adapter for this, like the AC adapter for your Apple iPhone or Samsung Galaxy, some smartphone AC adapter. This is only for example. You can buy an extra additional AC adapter for that too. This is your decision. So I will use a lightning cable for testing now. This lightning cable comes into an Apple iPhone, and I will push on the button, and as you can see, it starts immediately with the power. Yeah, good job. Power bank for smartphones too. Nice. So what's next? Go away with the smartphone. This is not your show today. Today the show is for power bank and Kickstarter, jump starter device. What is inside? Smart clamps. The red smart clamp is for the plus pole, and the black clamp is for the minus pole of your starting battery at your car. And it's made of a high quality. As you can see, there are two wires, two connectors in each clamp. This is nice because cheaper products only have one line or one cable for each clamp. This is nice, really nice, and it makes a good feeling, and it's a high quality feeling if you handle this. How does it work? You only have to plug in the clamps, and as you can see now it starts flashing, or it has to be flashing. I think it's orange and blue, and then that means the power bank is ready to use. So easy it is. So this is all what you get. Waterproof quick charge jump starter device, a smart clamp, USB TypeC cable, micro USB cable, one user manual, one carry pouch. Nice and easy. Good job. And there is the LED. Only push on the button and hold it a little bit, and then the LED will switch to on. Nice. This is awesome. So let's have a look how it will works at a real car battery. Let's go. Let's start our car. Insert the plug of the smart clip completely into the jump starter. The green and red lights flash alternately. Correctly clip the red and the black clamps to the electrodes of the car battery. Red is the positive and black is the negative part. And take care, you have to plug in first the red line for safety. First red, plus, and after this, minus, that means black. If you start your car at least 3 times and it is no response, which means the carry battery voltage too low, you need to press a mandatory button for 3 seconds. And this is this small stick. And the green LED will stay on. The output will automatically turn off after 30 seconds. So this is a normal fall. Let's go inside the machine, and the vehicle have to start now. Only sit down in the car, switch the position or the ignition to on, push the clutch pedal and start your engine immediately. And take care, it is better, it's for safety. It's better to switch off or to get off all the jump starter device parts after the engine is running. First the black unplug, then the red wire unplugged. And as you can see, the engine is running. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.